everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you, Emma. And you? You look very happy today.
Yes, I am. I am very happy because I'm excited for today's topic.
Ooh, yes. Today's topic is super useful.
It is. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button, and don't forget to share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Exactly. It helps us so much.
All right, Emma. What are we talking about today?
Today, our topic is how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Oh, wow, that's a good one. Confidence in talking. It's something everyone needs, right? Especially when you're learning English like our viewers.
Totally. I remember when I was younger, I was so shy. Talking to new people felt scary. But now I love chatting with anyone.
Same here. I used to hide behind my mom at parties. But let's start from the beginning. Emma, what do you think confidence means when it comes to talking?
Well, confidence is like feeling okay inside when you speak. It's not about being perfect. It's about trying and not worrying too much if you make a mistake, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them, even native speakers like us. Remember that time I tried to order coffee and said large, but it came out as lodge? The barista looked so confused.
Oh no, that's hilarious. See, even we mess up. So for beginners, the first tip, smile. A smile makes everything easier. It shows you're friendly.
True. When you smile, people smile back. It's like magic. I was at a networking event last week. You know, one of those work things where you meet strangers. I smiled at this guy, and boom, we started talking about sports.
Nice. Smiling helps break the ice. What's break the ice? It means to start a conversation when it's awkward at first.
Good explanation. So, tip number 1, smile and say hello. Simple, right?
Very simple. Let's role play it. Pretend I'm a stranger at a bus stop. Paul, talk to me.
Okay. Hi there. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Oh, hi. Yeah, it's sunny. I love it. See? Easy. Now, what if someone is shy? How do they build confidence?
Start small. Talk to people you see every day, like the cashier at the store. Say, thank you, have a nice day. Practice makes it better.
Yes, practice is key. I have a story. When I moved to a new city, I was alone, no friends, so I joined a book club. At first, I just listened. Then I shared one small idea. Everyone was nice. It built my confidence.
That's inspiring. Book clubs are great for that, or language exchanges. Our viewers can find apps for that. Talk online first if face-to-face is too hard.
Good point. Online chats are less scary. You can think before you type. But remember, body language matters in real life. Stand tall, look in the eyes, but not too much or it's creepy.
Yeah, eye contact shows you're interested, but don't stare like a robot. That won't help.
Exactly. Okay, let's talk about questions. Asking questions is a great way to keep talking. It shows you care about the other person.
Right. Instead of talking about yourself all the time, ask, what do you do for fun? Or where are you from? People love sharing.
And listen. Really listen. Don't just wait for your turn. Nod your head, say, aha, or that's cool.
Listening builds trust. I had a friend who was great at this. He remembered little details from our talks. Made me feel important.
Aw, that's sweet. Confidence comes from feeling connected. So another tip, prepare some topics like weather, food, movies. Safe and easy.
Weather is classic. Hot today, huh? But make it personal. This heat reminds me of my vacation in Florida. Have you been there?
Perfect. Turns small talk into a real chat. What about nerves? My heart races sometimes before talking to someone new.
Me too. Breathe deep. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Like this. Calms you down.
Yes, breathing helps. Or positive thoughts. Tell yourself, I'm friendly and people like talking to me.
Affirmations, they work. I used them before job interviews. I got this. And guess what? I did.
Awesome. Let's think about cultural stuff. In the US, people are pretty open, but respect space. Don't stand too close.
Personal space is big here, about an arm's length. And handshakes, firm but not too hard.
Not like crushing their hand. For women, sometimes a wave or hug with friends.
Yeah. Now, what if the conversation dies, like awkward silence?
Oh, those happen. Just say, "So, tell me more about," or change topic gently. By the way, have you seen that new movie?
Smooth. Or use humor. Make a light joke. But keep it kind. No mean jokes.
Humor is great for confidence. When I laugh with someone, I feel relaxed. Remember my first date? I spilled water. Instead of panicking, I joked, "Well, that's one way to break the ice." We both laughed.
Ha, clever. Stories like that make talks fun. Share your own short stories. It makes you relatable.
Relatable means people can connect to you. Yes, for English learners, don't worry about accent or grammar. We understand. Effort matters.
Totally. I've talked to people from all over. Accents are cool. They tell a story.
So true. Okay, let's list some phrases. To start, "Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?"
To continue, that's interesting. Why do you think that?
To end nicely, "It was great talking to you. See you around."
Simple phrases build confidence. Practice them in the mirror.
Mirror practice. I did that. Talk to yourself. Sounds silly, but it helps.
Not silly at all. Or record yourself on your phone. Listen back, improve.
Good idea. Now, what about talking to groups? That's harder.
Start by listening, then add one comment. I agree with that. Grow from there.
Yes, in parties, find one person first, not the whole group at once.
Smart. I was at a barbecue last summer, felt overwhelmed. Talked to the host's dog first. Then the owner joined.
Talking to pets. That's a fun way. Animals don't judge.
They don't. Builds confidence indirectly.
Okay, let's talk about rejection. What if someone doesn't want to talk?
It happens. Don't take it personal. Maybe they're having a bad day. Move on.
Right. Not everyone clicks. That's okay. Plenty of people out there.
Confidence grows with experience. The more you try, the better you get.
Like riding a bike. Fall at first, then smooth.
Perfect analogy. Share a failure story. Makes us human.
Sure. Once I tried talking to a celebrity at an event, said, "I love your work." He just nodded and walked away. Felt bad, but learned timing matters.
Ouch, but you tried. That's brave.
Thanks. Now I laugh about it.
Humor helps heal. Another tip, be genuine. Don't pretend. People sense fakeness.
Genuine means real, yes. Talk about what you like.
If you love cooking, share recipes. Bonds over shared interests.
Yes, I met a friend talking about pizza toppings. Silly, but fun.
Pizza unites us all.
Yes. So for our viewers, try one new conversation a day. Start small.
And celebrate wins. I talked to the neighbor today. Yay!
Positive reinforcement builds habit.
What about online? Social media comments.
Great start. Comment on posts. Like nice photo. Leads to chats.
But always be positive.
Always. Now, body language again. Open arms, not crossed, shows openness.
Nodding encourages talking.
Mirroring, copy their posture subtly, builds rapport.
Rapport means connection. Yes.
Okay, let's role play a full chat. I'm at a coffee shop. You approach.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead. I'm Emma.
I'm Paul. Reading anything good?
A mystery book. You?
News on my phone. Boring stuff. What's the book about?
A detective solving crimes. Exciting.
It sounds fun. I love mysteries. Ever watch Sherlock?
Yes, favorite show.
See? Easy flow.
Perfect example. Now, for shy people, join classes, dance, cooking. Natural talks happen.
Yes, shared activity eases pressure.
Or volunteer, help others, talk while doing.
Wonderful. Builds confidence and feels good.
Emotional side, confidence boosts happiness, less lonely.
So true. I feel empowered now.
Empowered means strong inside. Yes. Okay, wrapping up. Any last tips?
Be patient with yourself. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Good saying. Means takes time.
And have fun. Talking is enjoyable.
Absolutely. So today we talked about smiling, asking questions, listening, practicing, and more.
All to talk with confidence.
What a great chat. I learned too.
Me too. Thanks, Emma.
Thanks, Paul. Everyone, practice these tips. You'll see improvement.
And share your stories in the comments. How do you build confidence?
Love that. We read them all. Until next time.
Bye, everyone. Stay confident.